Installation video for 2-switch retrofit. Installation step. Prepare setup. Open switchboard and identify the wiring. Connect the device. Step 1. Prepare setup. Tools you will need: screwdriver, tester, pilers. Identify the switchboard you want to automate. This is our 2-switch retrofit device. So now I am going to install this device into the switchboard. Turn off the MCB before starting the process. Don't miss this step. Step 2. Open the switchboard and identify the wiring. In the switchboard, you will find a red wire phase, black wire neutral, and blue wire loads. Step 2. Connect the device. Now I am going to connect the retrofit device to the switchboard. So in the device, you will be having E as a phase, N as a neutral, and 1, 2 are the loads. The device P phase connects to the switchboard red phase wire and N neutral connects to the neutral wire. Device load 1 and load 2 should be connected to the respective switchboard load wires. I have now connected to the device phase T with the switchboard phase wire and connected to the phase terminal in the switchboard. I am now going to connect the device neutral N to this switchboard neutral wire. Next, I will remove the switchboard load wires and connect them to the device load 1 and load 2 terminals. Now I have successfully connected the switchboard load wires to the device load 1 and load 2 terminals. Now the device virtual output wire will be connected to the switchboard load terminals. The gray wire indicates the load 1 and the blue wire indicates the load 2. Now the virtual wires has been connected to the switchboard successfully. Now carefully insert the device into the backside of the switchboard. The installation is completed. Simply turn on the power to start configuring the device.